Influencer marketing. Introduction. In today's digital age, influencer marketing has become an essential part of any digital marketing strategy. Influencer marketing involves collaborating with popular and relevant influencers in your niche to promote your brand and increase your revenue. Influencers are characterized by a large number of loyal and dedicated social media followers. They are perceived as experts in their niches, and their recommendations are often highly regarded by their followers. In this article, we will discuss the importance, benefits, and full discussion of influencer marketing. Importance of influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is an important part of today's businesses. It is used by 40% of marketers to increase brand awareness. Advertising through influencers allows brands to promote through someone that a niche community watches, engages with, and trusts on a daily basis. Influencers, owing to their massive reach, have the power to increase brand exposure and boost brand awareness. When an influencer recommends or endorses your brand, their followers are likely to take notice and follow suit. Benefits of influencer marketing. Influencer marketing has several benefits that make it an effective marketing strategy. Here are some of the benefits of influencer marketing. 1. Quickly builds trust. Influencer marketing is one of the best ways to quickly build your brand online and raise awareness among your target audience. According to Forbes, influencer marketing is growing faster than digital ads, with emphasis placed on leveraging an industry leader's followers to foster growth in your own business. 2. Improves brand awareness. Influencer marketing helps you gain more visibility when such a person recommends your products or services or mentions your brands, which not only extends your scope but also increases your brand awareness. 3. Enriches your content strategy. Influencer marketing provides a fresh perspective on your content strategy. Collaborating with influencers can help you create new and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. 4. Effectively reaches your target audience. Influencer marketing enables marketers to reach critical millennials and Gen Z audiences, 85% of whom are highly open to information about specific products via social platforms. 5. Provides amazing value to your audience. At the heart of inbound marketing is delivering content that solves problems, educates, and inspires your intended audience. Influencer marketing provides amazing value to your audience. 6. Increased audience. As their audience becomes more familiar with your brand, it increases sales and traffic. While some companies choose a celebrity ambassador, collaborating with influencers gives you direct access to a segment of prospects that need and want to buy your product. 6. Full discussion of influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a form of social media marketing that includes affirmation and product/service advertisements by influencers, individuals, and organizations that have a perceived degree of awareness or social impact in their field. Influencer marketing leverages the credibility of a popular content creator to promote your brand through paid endorsements and recommendations. Partnering with influencers gives you direct access to a segment of prospects that need and want to buy your product. Influencer marketing helps you gain more visibility when such a person recommends your products or services or mentions your brands, which not only extends your scope but also increases your brand awareness. Influencer marketing provides a fresh perspective on your content strategy. Collaborating with influencers can help you create new and engaging content that resonates with your target audience.